bringing George Petrie's 1830s print, Narrow-Water Castle, engraved by William Miller, into motion while keeping its timeless monochrome style has been an exciting challenge. Using parallax effects and drone-style camera movements, we gently glide through this living, moving Intaglio print. I had seen many engravings and etchings while searching for vintage photos, and I assumed they weren't suited for animation. I only explored photographs. I was trying to emulate traditional film. But this project opened my eyes to some new possibilities. I wonder what George Petrie might think of AI animation like this. Would he be pleased that his art is gaining fresh life? Through modern technology, Intaglio printmakers of his time were using the latest tools available to capture their vision. And in a way, AI prompters represent the newest technology in that continuum, linking past and present creative processes. Historically, animating engravings required significant budgets and complex workflows, only seen in big-budget film productions. AI empowers creators by making it accessible and affordable to animate heritage art effectively. This technology holds great potential for augmented reality content, where visually engaging, historically rich animations can enhance tourism and cultural experiences alike. The voice you hear narrating this text is AI-generated, as is the script itself. This technology is especially useful for augmented reality projects, delivering consistent, flexible, and cost-effective narrations.